Alright, late night, getting the work in, quick video. Here's the gasket on one side. And here's the other one. I recommend taking off the whole oil filter housing instead of just the oil filter cooler. It should be right here. You need to do both of these, so I recommend taking off the whole housing. Okay. Prep your area, clean it up. I still got a mess down there to clean up, but I'm gonna pressure wash that shit. I got some engine degreaser on that right now, soaking up. But this is what it looks like. Give you a good idea. All right.